Stocks are higher this morning, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq setting new all-time highs, while mortgage bonds are flat so far. Oil prices remain elevated but have pulled back from their highs and are currently settling around $91 per barrel, according to WTI. The markets are now awaiting updates on the upcoming peace talks between the U.S. and Iran, which are supposed to take place over the next week ahead of next week's ceasefire expiration. Lebanon and Israel are also scheduled to hold talks for the first time in 34 years. If those discussions happen, they could prove very important, as Pakistan has stated that a peace deal between Lebanon and Israel is essential for successful U.S.-Iran peace talks. Markets are also closely watching what will happen when Powell's term ends on May 15th. The next Fed chair is expected to be Kevin Warsh, but his confirmation is being delayed because Senator Thom Tillis refuses to give his needed nomination due to the ongoing probe into the Fed's renovation project. If Warsh's nomination is delayed, who will serve as the interim Fed chair? Historically, there have been times when the current Fed chair has stayed on during the interim period. But going back to the 1970s and 1980s, there were instances where the president has chosen the Fed chair even when the Fed disagreed that they had the power to do so. It's an unclear area, but there are new laws since then that require Senate approval, which could make it more difficult. President Trump has already threatened to fire Powell if he stays on after his term ends. If you're thinking about buying, refinancing, or just want to understand how these global shifts affect your financial strategy, I'm here to help. Reach out today. Let's make sure you're positioned to win in this market.